Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this wavy half up half down hairstyle. I'll pop the curling wand I used in the description box below for you. To start, we're going to section out the crown area of the hair and then just tie this at the back using a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray over this section. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the hair to give it a nice textured look. Now, working on the front, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the hairline and bring this round to the back, and I'm going to take the same size section on the opposite side, tie these together at the back, and then all we're going to do is flip the ends through to create a twist. Now reach a couple of fingers up and through that twist, and then rotate them so they're pointing downwards. Grab that ponytail and pull it through the little hole we've made, and then just tighten everything up by pulling on the edge of that twist. Then just loosen up those twists by pinching and pulling at the edges. And we're just going to repeat this step one more time. So take a small slice of hair from the left and the right hand side of the head, bring them around to the back and join them together with a clear elastic band. Flip the ends so you've created another twist, and then reach 2 fingers up through that twist, pointing upwards. Rotate your whole hand so it now points down, and use your fingers to grab hold of that ponytail and pull it through the hole. And then just pull on the edges underneath the elastic to tighten everything up. Again, pinch and pull on the twists on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.